Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Just as Asian markets were opening, Macrons for a Biden-Putin summit were accepted. Still, risk appetites remain muted. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index extended last week's 0.9% fall. The Stoxx 600 index is nursing modest losses near midday after falling almost 1.9% last week. U.S. futures are narrowly mixed, though stock and bond market are closed today. Perhaps it is in the foreign exchange market where risk appetites appear the strongest. The dollar is offered against most currencies today, and the Japanese yen is a laggard. The Australian dollar and Scandis lead the advance. The Swiss franc is also one of the strongest majors. Gold initially extended its gains and saw $1,908 before returning to the $1,890 area. April WTI is hovering around $90 a barrel. Asian Pacific market. Japan's preliminary PMI underscores expectations that after rebounding in Q4 21, the world's third-largest economy is struggling at the start of 2022. The dollar is holding below JPY 115.00 in the European sessions after peaking near JPY 115.10 in Asian turnover. Initial support around JPY 114.80, the pre-weekend low, has been testing. Australia's flash PMI was better. The Reserve Bank of Australia meets on Thursday, March. The market a rate hike priced into the July, which the governor low has pushed against. The Australian dollar is trying again to secure a foothold above $0.7200. Market of Euro. The Eurozone aggregate flash February PMI was stronger than expected. Prices jumped by a record amount. The preliminary German readings were in line with the aggregate. The euro has covered the past 3 days' range today. It initially took out the pre-weekend low to draw nearer $1.13 before rebounding to almost $1.14 in late Asian turnover. The UK manufacturing PMI is steady at 57.3. The services PMI surged to 68 from 54.1. This lifted the composite PMI to 62 from 54.7. It is the highest since last June. Sterling is bid near this month's highs $1.3645. It is also the fourth session of higher lows. Market of America. The U.S. stock and bond markets are closed today. Tomorrow, the flash PMI, house prices, the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Survey, and the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Survey are due. Canada has a light economic diary this week. The Bank of Canada meets on 2nd March. The U.S. dollar has been largely range-bound against the Canadian dollar here in February. Support is seen in the CAD 1.2650 to 1.2660 area. The ceiling is 128. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.